Hi, this is Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle, and today you're going to learn about how to choose the right WordPress theme for your website. Everything is clean and simple and is separated. You see on the top, that is my logo with the navigation. This is the featured box where people can put in their email in exchange for a free product. Then the blog articles start 5 to a page. And on the right, you get the sidebar widgets, where again, people can get free updates, look at the products that I have up for sale, search anything they want on the website, the overall topics that they can find on the website, and about Matt Bernstein. And on the bottom, it has all that trademark stuff and privacy policy in terms of service. So let's work on getting you just as good of a WordPress theme, if not better. I use the website called Theme Forest by Envato Market. So go to themeforest.com, and underneath the tabs, click on WordPress tab. And you have over 4,500 items that you can look at. And they're usually around $50 a piece for each theme. So there's no easy way to do this. You have to go through the 4,500 themes that you want. You can separate it by category. So they have the blog and magazine category on the sidebar to the right. They have a creative category, corporate. Probably won't use the corporate one. Nonprofit, entertainment, wedding, miscellaneous, mobile, e-commerce. Probably not going to use that one. Real estate. Probably not going to use that one. I chose my theme from the blog and magazine category from Theme Forest. Right now I'm going to check out education because that seems kind of cool. And what you have to do is you have to go through these each individually. Click on the one that looks best to you. And you can do a live preview. This is what your website would look like before customizing it. This is what it would look like, and then you would go to WordPress, follow this course step by step, and begin to customize your website to the best of your ability. So I'm not going to go through any more themes with you. You're going to have to do that yourself and choose what you think fits best for your own WordPress website. That's your decision. It's your responsibility. And at least in my experience, but once you've picked out the right theme for your website, let's say it's this one, click on Purchase on the top right of your screen, enter in your billing information, and once you pay for it, ThemeForest will give you the file, the plugin that you can use to upload onto your website. So what you do, you act like this is a normal plugin. You install it, you upload it onto your WordPress dashboard. So once you pick out and purchase your theme and pay for it, ThemeForest will give you the file, the plugin that you could use on WordPress. So go to your WordPress dashboard and act like this is a normal plugin. So you go to your plugins tab, click Add New, and upload the zip file that they give you. To activate it, though, go to Appearance and click on Themes. You'll see your new theme uploaded and just click Activate. You now have a beautiful WordPress theme and only for $50. So thank you so much. This has been Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle.